Hello, I'm your Kashyap Kuchalakota. Good day, all. Thank you for encouraging me all for all the videos I make and for your love and affection. But I'm unable to post regular videos. I'm sorry for that. My schedule is not allowing me to make it. But I'm sure I'll put continuous videos, back-to-back videos within a period of time. So today I have come up with a topic called confidence. Confidence is everything according to me. If you read autobiographies of different people, of successful people, you'll understand one common point. They are very, very confident in spite of having many hurdles in life. Life will always try to put you down. The deeper you go in, the faster you come up. Everyone has proven this. Any success story initially starts with a failure. I'll just give you a small example. You know KFC, right? KFC founder is Mr. Colonel Sandel, yes, Colonel Sandel. He got success at the age of 76. His company was recognized internationally when he was 76. So till then, he did not give up. He did not give up. Just because he's old, he did not give up. He felt age is just a number. When he was 70, he did not give up. He's old. He was old. He did not give up. 72, he did not give up. 73, he did not give up. 75, he did not give up. 76, he got success. What if he wouldn't have got success till his last breath? It may be 86, 96. He would have fought. But I'm sure one day before his death, he would have been successful. For sure, if not at 76. Because he is that confident. He is very specific about what he's doing. He knows what he's doing. Is confident about it. What gets you confidence? Only when you know what your strength is, you'll have confidence. Not knowing what yourself and having confidence is overconfidence. There's a small difference between this confidence and overconfidence. If you feel I can do this, is confidence. If you feel only I can do is overconfidence. So never let overconfidence come into you. It should be only confidence. And wherever you go, you find insult. In your journey, wherever you go, you find insult. Those insults should be an experience for your success. So, when those becomes experience, only when you are confident, when you should never put yourself low. You should never put yourself low. Just because you don't have a good parentage, just because you're not rich, just because you're not handsome, never put yourself down. These are not the factors which will decide what you are. It is only you who is going to decide it. You are accountable for your failure and success. 99 failures is equal to 1 success. You may fail 99 times. World will never give you a shit. But if you get 1 success, obviously world is going to see you. That means you should understand one thing here, not about 99 failures. Even after being failure for 99 times, you are giving one more attempt, which shows your confidence. When you become successful, your failure will be the most admirable failure. Do you know why? Because you didn't give up at that point. If you would have given up at that point, you would have never got success. So never give up. Failure comes, obviously. Everyone will face that failure. Everyone will face the insult. Everyone will have hurdles. We are lucky, we are blessed, we are human. A deer starts running when the moment it has come out of its mom's womb. Why? To save its life. It will start running till its last breath. It is confident. It wants to live. But we are lucky we don't have that pressure. So, being very intelligent, we are losing our confidence. Every person is born with average intelligence, trust me. Everyone is born with average intelligence. Steve Jobs is average intelligent. Bill Gates is average intelligent. Abdul Kalam is average intelligent. They have created impact on the world. Steve Jobs was kicked out of his own company, Apple, when he was old. He didn't have that capacity of even working at that point of time. He was not young like us. He was not young blood when he was kicked out from Apple. But then later he has started an animation company. You know what it is now, right? That means he did not give up. He has seen that peak, again came down, again started going up. He did not give up. Excuse me. So he never give up. Every success story will have that hurdles. Face them. Come out of your comfort zone. Let life teach you a lesson. Let life teach you a lesson. Face it. Be a warrior. Fight. Fight, 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 and fight. But never give up. You don't need anything to live. You just need one thing, life. Only reason to live is life. You don't need any other reason. To give up, you'll have hundreds of reasons. But to live, only one thing, life. Yeah, hard work and confidence should go hand on hand. If you have no hard work, only confidence, no use. Obviously, you're going to get nothing. So, have confidence along with hard work. You do plenty of hard work. You don't trust yourself. You don't have confidence on what you're doing. Obviously, nothing is gonna change. Nothing. So, to create an impact, you should first have that courage. Trust yourself. Sometimes, maybe people with us may get success faster than us. They may be not as intelligent as we are, but still they get success. That is because maybe they are very specific about what they are doing, or they're much more confident than we are. But this shouldn't decide your success. Never, even at that point of time, never compare yourself and put yourself down. Never put yourself low. Stay confident. All you need little more time than him, little more confidence and little more hard work. That's it. Nothing is gonna change. Don't see others and fear. See your past and get the courage to win in the future. See your past. What are the consequences you faced to come till that point? So, before you give up something, just think, if this is my last attempt, what if I get success in the next attempt? So, never stop there. Who knows, your next attempt would have been your success. Till the last moment, give a try. Nobody actually cares. People tell till you get success 100 things, but once you get success, they're not going to talk anything about you. You'll be a role model for all those who have commented you. Insult is the first step for success. Face it confidently. Know what you are, show what you are, show what you are very confidently. Be proud of yourself. Be confident about your character. Be confident about what you're doing. World is always waiting for your success. Remember this. World needs you. World needs you. So never give up. Have this confidence. World needs me. World needs me. As much as I need the world also equally needs me. World is waiting for my success. The more I wait for my success, world is also equally waiting for me to get success. So this will create an impact, not just on you, on the world. So, what creates this impact is only your confidence. If you don't trust yourself, trust me, nobody is going to trust you. It's not your parents, it's not your siblings, it's not your friends, no one. It's only you who is going to trust you. If everyone else is trusting you and you don't trust yourself, nothing is gonna happen. And if nobody trusts you and you trust yourself, you are going to create an impact. If not today, tomorrow is yes. Today you may fight in that insult, but have that confidence that tomorrow is yes for sure. Only your confidence creates fire. Only your fire brings you success. So stay confident, have success, and stay happy. Good day all. Kashyap Kuchalakota signing off.